Happy Wednesday! Halfway through the week, can you believe it? It's a short week because we didn't have school on Monday. Today is Wednesday. So happy Wednesday, my sweet, sweet pre-K 4. We're going to start out with our letters and our sounds. Today we're going to say the letter and the sound right after it. I'm going to try to move a little quicker, even though we have to say both the letter and the sound, just to keep us going and the speed and see how we're doing. Did anybody try doing their sounds, just their sounds, and having a little timer set and see how far they got in a minute, or to see how long it took them to say all the sounds in the alphabet? Let me know. I haven't heard back from anybody yet. I'm interested to know how long it took you to do the whole alphabet, or if you just set a minute timer and you only got a certain distance on the alphabet. Okay, here we go. Our letters and sounds. M. M says mm. S. S says s. X. X says x. Z. Z says z. Q. Q says qu. H. H says L. L says l. U. U says E. E says eh. Y. Y says y. C. C says k. R. R says r. P. P says p. I says eh. F. F says f. T. T says t. B. B says b. K. K says k. G. G says g. A. A says ah. D. D says d. N. N says n. J. J says j. W. W says w. O. O says ah. V. V says v. Good job, friends. Let's go through it one more time and just say just the sound. We're not going to say the letter this time, just the sound. And I'm going to move them a little bit quicker. Now remember, when we're doing like the B and the P and the P and things like that, we're not going buh. It's not buh, it's not a B-A, it's just buh. So just do that first sound. Don't put the after the letter. So here we go. S, x, z, o, y, k, r, p, e, f, t, b, k, g, a, d, n, j, w. Good job, guys. You're doing so great. I'll see you soon. See ya.